I'm back with another Football Friday video, and what's actually crazy is this is not a European team. This is actually a good old London club. So this is actually one of the best kits of the 2020-2021 season. A lot of away and third kits have been beautiful, so I may say that a lot of times while you watch other videos, but this I was praying would be an amazing kit, and it is. I just have a little bit of bad feedback, but that's just me being fussy. Let's just get into the details first. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's actually got the hammers, and it says 125. This is 125th year. Whoops, I smacked the camera. 125th year anniversary. So you might be able to see that a bit better when I move the shirt. Classic gold. We love black and gold, but a lot of teams are doing it now, which is a bit annoying because it's like, okay, we don't have a third shirt, let's just make black and gold. It's lazy. It's boring. Whatever. I just hope the West Ham one was like this. Obviously, Barcelona have done it this season. I have seen a couple other teams do it over the last seasons and whatever, but we won't get into that. So it's got the Puma embroidered. It's got the West Ham United badge embroidered. And this is my bad feedback. I don't like this. This should have all been gold. If that was all gold, it would be 10 times better. I do understand what they wanted to do, but I personally do not really like that. I would have preferred gold logo that stood out and we could see it. I'm not really a fan of the neck either. I prefer more of a round neck instead of whatever this flat neck thing is here, but it is an amazing shirt. I really do like it. It's one of my favorite shirts. Those two are just my bit of bad feedback. Now I shouldn't even be doing this part, but I'm going to anyway. How to wear this shirt. I'm going to say it. I've said it before. Grey jeans, white Air Forces. And what's actually crazy about this is because it has gold, and I do own a few pairs of Giuseppe's. So Giuseppe's the naughty with the zips, black and gold, goes amazing with the black and gold Giuseppe's, which I do own. Also, the black and gold can kind of contrast with the white and gold. So grey jeans, white and gold, you're sorted. If you don't have those, just normal white Air Forces, white trainers, grey or black jeans, and this will look amazing. But yeah, thank you for watching. Don't have too much to say. See you on the next video.